guys, Alex here and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a blue halo eye makeup look. So for that I'm gonna be taking this palette which is from K Beauty and a blending brush, and सबसे पहले I'm gonna be taking this blue shade and I will be applying it on the outer corner of the eye right here and on the crease as well. Then after that I'm gonna be taking again and gonna blend it on the inner corner of the eye, and then blend it on the crease as well. And after that I'm gonna be taking this palette and I will be taking this blue shade which is a sky blue color, and I will be blending it right on top of the shade, the dark blue shade one right here and on the inner corner as well. Then again after that I'll be taking this dark blue shade and again I'm going to be applying on here to darken a little bit and on the crease. I'll be taking the same shade and apply it underneath my eye. Then I'm taking this black shade from the Swiss Beauty palette and I will be adding this shade on top of the dark blue shade just to darken the shade a little bit. Then I'm gonna be adding this blue shimmery shade on the eyelid right here where we haven't put any shade, right here. So guys, so this is the whole eye makeup look all complete. As you can see guys, this turned out very good and I hope that आप लोगों को ये video अच्छा लगा होगा. And if you guys did enjoy watching this video, then please do like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.